Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Hope you all are fine. Right now, I'm going to disclose a great news for you. From now, the Islamiat subject is going to be taught in schools in English language from class 6 up till 9th class. And all the books have been published by Sin Textbook Board, Jamshoro. And now they will be able to improve themselves in English, as well as it will be a great step for them when they go for the college and universities. For there, the Islamic subject is mostly in English, so they won't be able to feel any problem when they nourish themselves in the basic level, the basic stage. So it's a great chance for also those students who really feel easy to read and write in English medium, and those who are not able to write properly. So it will be a great opportunity for them, so they can improve right now at this stage. Hope you will enjoy this book, and this book is basically completely translated in English language, and this is basically the translation of the Urdu version, and you can keep the Urdu version with yourself if you feel any problem while learning from the English book. Inshallah, hope you will enjoy this book, and Al Hafiz, take care.